time I spit on this dick, sound like I'm goggling. Make 'em bust 3 nuts is the task. My penny stuck in my ass.
Hi, here's Danganronpa characters if they were on Dance Moms. Action! This weekend is the Little Darlings Rootin' Tootin' dancing competition, and we're all a bit nervous. Miyaki has been on edge all week. Hey, pick up the slack, Hiyoko. What are you supposed to be, the ultimate traditional dancer? Pathetic. I'm trying. I can't help that everyone's limbs are longer than mine. Then grow longer limbs. It's that simple. We also had a very serious accident earlier this week. And cartwheel. Ow. Hajime, what is it? I'm injured really badly. I got a paper cut on my finger. I don't know how I'm going to recover from this. So, how's it looking? I don't know if he can dance this weekend. God! Hiyoko, you're making up for 2 people now. What?
Do you want to play a game? Sure. I spy with my little eye someone who needs to shut the hell up. Is it me? It's always you.
Wash your bum bum every single day. Wash your bum bum, wash the dirt away. Now the bum bum squeaky clean, but there's no towel to be seen. Boy, I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no.
I like you, won't give a fuck about your boyfriend.
No, my boyfriend crazy, he kill people.
I'm passing the phone to my beloved.
I'm passing my phone to a bitch.
I'm passing the phone to the person who never hated me.
I'm passing the phone to someone who can't go down the stairs without tripping.
Well, I'm passing the phone to the person who killed their own sister.
Why would you say that?
I'm sorry!
No, you're not! I'm sorry! I won't fucking forgive you, you bitch!
I'm passing the phone to the person with pink hair.
I'm passing the phone to someone who flashes her entire class every time she falls.
It was an accident. I'm passing the phone to the person who turned high school into a murder game.
YOLO, at least I live my life. I'm passing the phone to someone who put their crotch in Nagito's face.
Forgive me!
No!
I'm passing the phone to the person who can't keep their ass in their skirt.
At least I didn't kill a bunch of people. Oh wait.
Smack my ass.
If a guy ever spreads a rumor that he slept with you, don't deny it. 1, because there will always be people who think it's true. And 2, because that dumbass boy just handed you the power to say anything you want about what he's like in bed, and people will believe it.
Today, I'm feeling white.
And out.
Hello, my name is Theta Teacher Margaret, and welcome to America's Got to Spare, the show where we find out who has the best talent outside of their ultimates. I will now introduce to you the judges. First off, we have Morgan. Hi. Next, the Despair Queen herself, Jenga. Excuse me, I am not a wooden blocks collection, thank you. And lastly, we have,
Ganta.
Hi. I'm sorry, who let Buglord in here? Ow. Be nice. Alright, our first auditionee is none other than Kokichi! Thank you. Kokichi! Oh!
Ganta!
The judges.
Ganta!
You can't be biased. Oh! Okay, boo! Kokichi! Oh, okay. What are you doing for us today, Kokichi? Magic. Morgan, you know that 50 you have in your wallet? It's right here. Wait, what? And now I will disappear along with it. Wow, amazing! What the fuck?
Hinata, wake up! It's beach time! I think I have an iron deficiency.
Baby, go. It's my turn. It's my turn.
I know who you pretend I am. I know who you pretend I am. Do me tea.
Oh, sorry I'm late. I was doing things. He pushed me down the fucking stairs! Push is such a strong word. I prefer to call it giving you a little nudge. Oh, I'll give you a little nudge when I shove my foot up your ass.
Gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
Where are we gonna sit?
Look, it's Hajime. Wait, we're still here.
Shut up.
You nasty bitch. I don't know how the fuck you jumping my son, you little nasty ass nigga. Shut your little bitch ass up, you dirty bitch. Who the fuck is this long head asshole, jawbreaker looking ass nigga named Miss Mary? Shut your little bitch ass up, you ugly.
Wait, who the fuck are you? I'm Makoto. I tried to tell your ass.
You didn't say anything.
Shut the fuck up. Let go of me, damn it. Never. They are performing.
I'm in love with the shape of you.
What?
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
We should play Ring Around the Rosie, shirt roll. Yeah! Ring around the rosy, pockets full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
You didn't fall down. Sorry, man.
Hi, this is Danganronpa characters, but on Dance Moms. Action! I'm nervous, Kirigiri. What do you think he's gonna say? I don't know, but your dance routine sucked last week, so good luck. I'm really nervous, because last week I accidentally tripped while dancing on stage. Oh no! He's here. Well, Makoto, mind telling me what that was last week? Yes, I teach children to dance. No, I am not responsible for their failures. Yes, I get paid for this. Please, Byakuya, sir, I didn't mean for someone who's lucky. You weren't this week, and now you're at the bottom of the pyramid because you cost the entire team a win. Excuse me, you can't talk to my son like that. He deserves to be higher up on the pyramid. Asahina, he's not your child. Well, he could be, and it's not fair that you gave a solo to Hiro over him. And plie.
Mizushi, you just got coconut mauled by Kokichioma! Now share this with all your friends to totally coconut maul them by Kokichioma, the ultimate supreme leader!
Remember we talked about word families? I know you love that. So we're gonna go with words that end in an. You yell out a word, I write it down. Let's see how many we can get. Go. Fan! Fan! That's a good one. Man. Man, there's another one. Lesbian. Words ending in an. Anyone, words that end in an? Lesbian. Okay, I heard pan. Good. No. Monica said lesbian. All right, no big deal. If they said lesbian. Hold on. Good, we'll write that down. Just a word. Not a big deal, but we'll move on. We'll get some other ones. What is a lesbian, miss? What's your word? All right. If you liked another girl, that could be, I like Monica. Am I a lesbian? Well, if you like Monica, you could be, sure. I like Monica. I love Monica. I like Monica too. Am I a lesbian? No, it doesn't work that way, Jotaro. You can never be a lesbian. Oh, fair. I want to be a lesbian. Me too. Can all be lesbians, okay? Let's just move on. Let's try some words that end in O-N. Prostitution. What did you say? Prostitution. What is prostitution? What is prostitution? Let's say prostitution is when you, work in the street and you get paid. I want to do prostitution. No. All right. Moving on to words that end in R-E, but let me just have a second here. No, can't be. So shout out words that end in R-E. Crack whore.